Let us look into question number 10. In the series, there is an equation given to us. Let me just read it out. C2H5I gives X on treating it with alcoholic potash. X upon treatment with Br2 gives Y. Y on treatment with alcoholic KCN gives Z. Identify Z. So we are supposed to identify what this compound Z that we obtain as the final end product after a series of changes that has happened for iodoethane or ethyl iodide. Option A, CH3CH2CN. Is it ethyl cyanide or propane nitride? Is it, option B, is it 1,4 butane nitride? Is it, option C, is it 1,2 dibromoethane, or is it this is a alkene, and the alkene one side there is cyano group and one side there is bromo. So we should start numbering from here 1, 2, 3. So 3 bromo, then proptene nitride. Is this the compound that we obtain? That's option D. Let us write the equation and find out. C2H5I is treated with alcoholic KOH. In one of the previously learned reactions, in the same entrance questions, we learned that alcoholic KOH is a very good dehydrohalogenating agent. It facilitates the removal of halogen from the beta carbon and halogen from this alpha carbon, hydrogen from the beta carbon. So what is that we are going to obtain? This I will split and write it. CH3, CH2I. I goes from alpha carbon, hydrogen goes from the beta carbon. So along with this, what's the first product we are going to obtain? CH2 double bond CH2. It is ethene. Along with this, what are the other products? It's going to be minus Ki and then minus H2O. These are the additional products we get. So this will be our X. What is the name of X? Ethene, alkene or ethylene. This is treated with Br2. It's an addition reaction. One Br takes an attachment to this carbon, one more takes an attachment to the other carbon. Then we are left with Br, CH2, single bond, CH2, Br. So this is going to be our Y. What is the name of Y? 1,2 dibromo. 1,2 dibromo. There are 2 carbon atoms. Ethane. Eth is the root word in because it is saturated. So the name of the Y will be 1,2 dibromoethane. This is further treated with KCN. Write it down below. It is treated with alcoholic KCN. So now what happens? Br combines with this 2K, comes out as 2 molecules of KBr. Then Cn will take up the placement of Br. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, what's that we are going to get? Cn linked with CH2, linked with CH2, linked with Cn. So this is going to be our Z. What is the name of the Z compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be butane, 1,4 dinitrile. 1,4 dinitrile. butane 1,4 dinitrile, or it is going to be ethyl dicyanide. Ethyl dicyanide, but more popular will be butane 1,4 dinitrile. Now let us look at the different option which will give us this as our answer. C, option C is Y. So that is not Z. We have been asked to identify the Z, not the Y. So therefore option will be B. B is exactly like the answer that we have got. So answer will be B. Option B is the correct answer for the question that's been asked. Option is answer B. Butane 1,4 dinitrile. First step involves dehydrohalogenation. Second step involves addition of Br. Third step involves nucleophilic substitution reaction with ethanolic KCN or alcoholic KCN.